Amber Heard's new PR team called out Johnny Depp's lawyers for their shameful and desperate tactics Monday, just hours before the attorneys were set to cross-examine her. A spokesperson for the actress told Page Six they expected the Pirates of the Caribbean star's legal team to pound away on the victim, referring to Heard, when she returned to the stand. There's an old saying by trial lawyers, when the facts are on your side, argue the facts, the statement began. When the facts are not on your side, pound away on the podium. The rep added, "Today, we expect Depp's attorneys will instead pound away on the victim. We fear it will be equal parts shameful and desperate. And, the overwhelming evidence, the truth, is not on Depp's side." The spokesperson then, in apparent reflection of the Aquaman star's defense, concluded, "The one thing we suspect Depp's attorneys will avoid is the central issue of this trial: does Amber or any woman have the First Amendment right of freedom of speech?" Depp's team could not immediately be reached for a response, but his reps previously told Page Six that their cross-examination would be most telling and will certainly highlight the many fallacies Ms. Heard has now attempted to pass off as fact throughout her convoluted testimony. Depp, 58, is suing his ex-wife, 36, for defamation over a 2018 Washington Post op-ed she wrote titled, "I spoke up against sexual violence, and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change." The article did not name Depp, but the allegations came after Heard accused the Edward Scissorhands star of abuse in a 2016 restraining order. The defamation trial began in Fairfax County, Virginia, on April 11, and after weeks of testimony from family members, former employees and Depp himself, Heard took the stand 2 weeks ago Wednesday. The Pineapple Express star alleged to jurors that Depp had beaten and threatened to kill her when he abused drugs and alcohol. Depp's legal team called Heard's testimony the performance of her life. Heard's reps said in response at the time, as evidenced by the statement just released, Mr. Depp's defamation claim is falling apart so rapidly that his counsel are turning from prosecutor to persecutor. The publicist added, "They boast that Mr. Depp's story has not changed. If so, since he lost the domestic violence restraining order and he resoundingly lost the libel case in the UK, perhaps he should consider a new strategy rather than the recycled approach of attacking the victim and refusing to take responsibility for his own conduct." Heard changed PR teams mid-trial following a litany of unfavorable headlines. The Post spoke to a source who said the Magic Mike XXL actress doesn't like bad headlines, and another insider said she is frustrated with her story not being told effectively. Heard's new PR team, led by CEO David Shane, has worked against Depp before.